Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the Whitestone dome glass camera lens protector for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So this is the box right here. So let's see what you're going to get inside this box right here. I'm going to open it up. Alright, so once you have opened up the box, you get 2 packs of the camera lens protector right here. So let's take it out and have a look at the lens cover. So this is what it looks like. Now at the back here there are some 3M double-sided tape. So if you peel this one off, we'll be able to put it onto the camera lens. And you can see there are 2 packs in here. So you get 2 packs. If the first one gets old or damaged, you can replace it with a second one. And then in here we've got the dust remover sticker. You also got the alcohol wipe in here. So there is a screen cleaning cloth. One is the alcohol wipe and one is the dry one to wipe it off. Alright, so that's, you get 2 lenses in here. You also have a cleaning cloth right here. This is to dry it off, and this is the alcohol wipe. You get a dust remover. So you have 2 packs for you to use. And this lens cover basically goes on top of your camera lens, just like this. And this is what it would looks like. Now I haven't installed it yet, but I will install it soon in the next video. But this is basically what it looks like. Very nice. I really like it. I like the color and the design of the lens cover. Now it is not smooth, but kind of like matted on the surface right here. You can see it is kind of matted, and it fits perfectly well into your camera lens right here. Now it doesn't go flat down yet because we need to remove the tape at the back. And that's it. So that is everything inside the box for the Whitestone camera lens protector for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.